Hey guys, it's me Shojib and welcome back to my channel UI Creatives. In this video, I am create for this simple image to this good looking website UI design. So if you really interested how to create for this type of website for or Figma, please follow this video, and if you like this video please subscribe my channel. Okay guys, first of all we are create a frame. This video we are use MacBook Pro 20 inch 40 inch. Then we are create a layout grid, uh, 12 column and margin 120. Then we are place our image perfectly aligned for this image. First of all rename for this photo, and okay, now we are align this photo perfectly. Okay guys, done. Okay, now we have place our logo. Okay, then we have create a line for this separate navigation bar. Okay, perfectly align this for left. Oh, sorry, wrong, the wrong alignment. First fix it. Perfectly aligned for our. Okay, nice. Then we are perfectly aligned. 100 is a navigation by size 100 is perfect. If you can see that. Okay, color color flat give me for the description box. Okay, line chest 1.3, and now we have placed our logo for this. Okay, then we are write our navigation content like home. Okay, then copy duplicate it and package. Okay, then duplicate it and writing for service. Okay, then duplicate it and about. Nice. Okay guys, then we create our button. And okay, first of all we are create a signing button. Rectangle size is 88 and width is 32 and 10. Okay, color you can see that what color I am use for this color fit giving for give me for description box. Download it. Okay, now font size is 2018 and font name is popping. Then place for it nicely there. Okay, then nicely align for this particular things and then duplicate it. And now we are create our another button. This is the our signing button. For this we are minus for fill, and we are give a stroke. Okay, a stroke color is font color is this font color you can see. Then we are align for everything. Okay, then we are align for everything horizontally align. Home section is bold because of now we are currently home page, that's why. Then we are align for this navigation bar perfectly. Okay, done. Okay, our logo is point 4. Height is logo height is 40. Okay, then align. Okay, now we are writing our heading for for this website, this travel website. This is the travel website. That's why we are writing our heading for explore the beauty of nature and nature. Then we are choose the font is used for outfit, and size is 70%, 70. Okay, then we are with extra bold, then align, then we are called duplicate it, and simply if we are for first our heading 2. For this I am already prepared for this heading. Then we are aligned for two things for, then we are use for this, you can see that. Okay, now we are create another rectangle by the rectangle height is 68 and weight is 518, and rectangle corner radius is 100%. Then we are fill 20%, and we are at a white stroke. Then we are place our icon, that is search icon, for all element for giving description box. You can download it and follow this exact tutorial for your project. For icon color is white, you can see that, and icon size is 40%, 40. Okay, okay, align for icon by icon. Okay, search icon. Okay, now writing search. Then we are aligned for this. First of all, we are use font for popping, and font size is 30 is good. We have changed this font size. Font size is 30 is good. Okay, then we have placed our another icon, that is cross icon. Then we are change the color is white. Okay, and a font icon size is 40, first 40. Okay, now we are alignment is 32 and 40, 40. Okay, we are done for this particular website. Okay, this is the our search bar, we are writing for this. Okay, then we are aligned for uh, both of them and group of both of them. You can see for all of my content. Okay, okay, we are done. And lastly we are create a rectangle, then we have place it uh, below. Okay, its color is black, and then color opacity is, I think 20 is good, not sorry, 20 is good. Done. Okay, you can see for this. Oh, wow. We are finally done our website, create website UI. You can see how to we are convert a simple image to a look simple and good looking website UI. This is the process UI designer thing, how to create a website. You can create a website. This is very difficult to read your audience. This is not a good UI designer. If you really want to, you have a good UI designer. Now please you make sure you create a website that is really simplistic for your viewers for this website. So thank you everyone watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. And for next video we are create for this website to a mobile application website. Please share, please, if you really interested for this video, please comment below. Thank you everyone watching this video.